What do you do with a drunken sailor? What do you do with a drunken sailor? What do you do with a drunken sailor first thing in the morning? Thomas! Let me see you go there. Here, hold on, Josie. Right, away you go. Joseph, smile. Say cheese. Here, make sure you just come back now. You don't want to just get under the lock. Meanwhile, back on shore, there he is. Chris is scared to go in.
Speak for yourself.
I feel seasick. Land ahoy! What about the paddle?
What?
Paddle. I think you just have a paddle. Just up creek without a paddle.
Very good. She kicks it. You're a fuck.
Right, this is a kayak, Grace. Oh, hold on. Go on ahead, boys. Oxford versus Cambridge. I just hope they come back.